Mwanchi omulgeria ngokwaliga nanda sentunda ya Kabere togende gusanga ime ya maya yensoko TV. Chinga kiegekaro kia Africa Forward Summit giasoire Rituko lya Kabere ekyo kiaragwa n'umurai wense myomochio Nairobi nigegati y'abarai bakwamereria serikali n'abayigereri boboene bwo mwanyabantu bagikeria egeikare kiase batebire tikebwati buyabonde bwensi gocha asaba Kenya ayo nigachire chinga ky'umurai wense Ruto n'umurai wense ya France Emmanuel Macron batebire nigo bagochia kubwatrana ase ogokinia amagendero y'echinse chibire muliketo Linet Nyambane norobotiorwe.
Umurai wense William Ruto oraire egeikaro kia African Forward Summit ekyo gyasoirerero Rituko lya Kabere gyakorekana aso mucho Nairobi ekyo kyabareta abarai aokurwa chinse emerongetatu aseba kwaneire chinchira chinse ekyo chigo chikubwaterana egati yabarai abaikirana n'omuriki omonene bwobomo bw'echinse kya Afrika Antonio Guterres naboigo umurai wense ya France Emmanuel Macron aseba kwaneire emeroberi babegete erigokinia chinse ekyo.
I want to praise the African leaders that have understood that it's absolutely essential also to do everything with the adequate policies and strategies to mobilize a much stronger share of national resources in order to be able to accelerate the development of the continent. And it is African leadership, alongside the small island states and other developing countries on the front lines, that has placed the climate emergency where it belongs, at the center of the global agenda. This is not a continent waiting for solutions, this is a continent producing them.
Across our continent, enormous pools of domestic capital remain underutilized. Africa today holds more than $4 trillion in long-term domestic savings, including over $1 trillion in pensions and insurance assets, and more than $500 billion in central bank reserves.
Kubwatekana negeikare kyo gyakorekana ase nyumba yemisangirikano aigaso mucho Nairobi KICC umurai w'ekiama gya DCP Rigathi GACHAGUA nigo esokire na KOMOCHIA bokongu kubwaterana oku asatebire tikogo chiakoreta matunda ndonsi aseboigo amochire serikali ya Ruto nagoteba nigo ebwateraniri n'obwoiti bwa mwanyabantu.
Known to Antonio Guterres and Emmanuel Macron, we want to let them know whom they are dining with. Mr. William Ruto, a man who is the greatest disrespecter of the rule of law, the greatest human rights violator, a vicious man, a callous character, a con master and a practicing dictator on internship from African dictators like Samia Suluhu, Yoweri Museveni, and his contemporaries from other African countries, especially the ones dining at State House now for a talk show. This is a man who in June 2024 butchered Gen Zs in their numbers, abducted others. This is the man who is the real commander of RSF and the primary responsibility bearer of the war in Darfur, where thousands of women and children are being butchered. Instead of boasting of hosting over 30 presidents in Nairobi, William Ruto must focus on solving domestic issues. 3 days ago, six Kenyans in Mandera were brutally butchered by Jubilant forces who continue to illegally occupy the Kenyan soil. 7 other Kenyans are fighting for their lives in hospital, and not a single word from William Ruto. As we speak, Mandera County remains insecure and a big threat to the peace in the Horn of Africa.
Chinga kiechekyo ekyombege kwegerera obwene bwa mwanyabantu gya anti-imperialist movement kyarobekanire imeyo mucho Nairobi na kugikeria okubwaterana egati yense ya France amonense ya Kenya ase abarai kurwa ekyombekyo batebire umurai bwense ya France Macron na boigo umurai bwense ya Kenya Ruto bonsi oburai bwabo nigo bogwitera amanyinga y'abanainchi.
We want to tell President Macron that just like President William Samoei Ruto here, both of your hands are full of blood of the innocent Kenyan people. We are hosting this protest after one theoretical conference that was organized by the World Anti-Imperialist Platform to give analysis to imperialism. And secondly, for the political mobilization that took place yesterday to call the French imperialism what they are, the murderers and the plunderers of the African people. We are going to do a comparison. If French is really interested in the development of Kenya, what has French done in Ivory Coast? Only murder of children, rape of women, and plunder. This is the legacy of French imperialism.
Korpoteria en Soko TV kurwa ase omochio Nairobi erietariane Lenet Nyambane.